Hello and Namaste. How is everybody doing? Welcome to a new video of Thursday Tarot card reading. And as you can see, there are 3 packs of cards in front labeled O, S and R. All you have to do is you need to focus on all the 3 packs of cards. Look through all the 3 packs of cards one by one and then select any one particular pack of cards that you are feeling drawn towards. And when you are choosing any particular pack of cards, you have to think about the energies of this particular week, starting from today and going up to Wednesday. Just think about how you want to create your life in this coming week. How exactly do you wish the energies to be throughout this one week? And once you have thought about the intention, then you can comment any one particular pack of cards on the description box below. There is no hurry. You need to take some time because this reading is all about the energies of the coming week. It's a general guidance, but definitely if you follow it, you will have a lot of clarity regarding the things to be done and the things to be avoided. For example, if I'm looking at the cards, the first pack O is drawing me towards it. So I will comment the pack O on the tab below. But it's important to comment because it's more like affirming to the universe. If you just think it inside your own mind and pick up a random card, it might not work out. So commenting is very, very important. You need to set the intention, think about the cards, and then comment below as an affirmation that I choose this particular pack of cards. Also, once you have seen through the video, do let me know how you felt towards this reading so that I know what is to be kept in mind in the further sessions. So now let's begin with the reading. So if you have commented the first pack of cards, that is O, this is the weekly message for you. This week looks like there will be some kind of new discovery, a new exploration, a new side of you coming out. It will definitely have a positive impact in your life, and it will also bring out a lot of positive skills and positive aspects in your nature. So if at all you have been thinking of reading a book or maybe just starting a hobby of your own, or it could just be deciding to meditate, do it this particular week, because this is the week where if at all you invest your energies into a new activity, the flow is very smooth and this will help you to discover and rediscover your own inner self. So ensure that you invest your time into something different, something new, which is all about traveling within your own self and exploring your own self as well. This is the card. Now, the second message which is coming for you is that try not to restrict yourself. When I say restrict, try not to hold back yourself. In the sense, if you feel a certain way towards somebody, try to express it. Make sure that you do not hold back your feelings. You are not hesitant. Just be expressive. Ensure you communicate and let it all out. Also ensure that if at all you have some specific kind of knowledge, then make sure that you spread it out. You share it out with other people, your folks, your followers, all the people around yourself. It's very important that you give to other people, you share with other people if you really want to manifest your own knowledge multiple times. So make sure that sharing is very important for you. Try not to hide things, try not to manipulate things, try to be very receptive and give it all out. Also ensure that you do not play around with people's emotions or feelings. If there is something inside your heart, your mind, just let it out. This is a very important message and you need to follow this. It can also be that you have been wanting to do something for a very long time, but you have been trying to manipulate your own self. Okay, so if this is true, make sure that you invest the energies of this week into your higher purpose of life. That's very, very important. Apart from that, I also see that there is a very important message which is more towards facing the reality and facing the pain. The pain you experience is not because of the situation but because of resisting and blocking the situation. Face it boldly. It's a very in-depth message, so you need to listen to it very very carefully in order to interpret and apply and implement in your life. It simply means that there are situations in our life where we assume the entire matter to unfold in a particular way, but surprisingly the universe gives us just the opposite of that, and then we start feeling negative and we start sulking about it. This week is reminding you that it is not really the pain, but in reality it is what is best for your higher self. So if you feel there is a so-called situation that you assume it to not be favorable, face the pain, face it boldly, and if you really want, you can try to ensure that you have a detoxifying diet as well. Try to have lots of liquids, lots of fresh fruits, lots of nuts, lots of proteins, and make sure that you also meditate, because this week is hinting towards cleansing of your energies and churning up your energies towards a new beginning, towards releasing all the past pains, negativity, and the blockages from your aura. So make sure that this week is all about churning up, letting go, and inviting new energies into your life. But you have to remember these couple of pointers in your mind while you are doing that. Make sure that you are willing to take a new decision. Make sure that you are willing to be receptive and share and communicate your feelings and express your thoughts towards the other people. And also make it a point that you look at the situation from the universe's perspective and not your own physical perspective. And also the last message is that you need to make sure that you drink lots and lots of water, you hydrate yourself, and you have lots of good food and nuts and fresh intake if you really want your energy to get cleansed. So that's all about for this week. I will see you again in the next week's reading. Take care. Namaste. Hello. So if you have commented the second pack of cards for yourself, which is S, then this is the weekly guidance for you. It's a very slow week, it's a very steady week, and it's a relaxing week as well, where the energies are coming towards you, or rather, I would say, guiding you towards going with the flow and slowing down. It doesn't mean you have to slow down and stop everything. It simply means that you need to go with the flow and not be too assertive. Just accept things the way they are. If somebody says something or does something to you which is not as per your expectations, don't get grumpy or upset about it. Just accept it the way it is, because remember, sadness and gladness are two sides of the same coin. Unless and until that person hurts you, he or she will never come and apologize to you as well. So whether the situation is something that you were expecting or not expecting, remember, there is always a yin yang effect, a positive negative effect. That is how the equilibrium has to be maintained. That is how the energies work, right? So make sure that you do not try to control too many things in your life. Just let it be the way it is. Also, it is very important that you plan out your life, you plan out your activities, you plan out your goals this particular week. Maybe you feel that it is high time I need to start creating a journal for myself. I need to start creating a calendar for myself where I know the activities which are to be done on a daily routine. So before you go to sleep every day at night, make sure that you write down the couple of activities that you have to do over the next day. This will help you to organize your mind consciously, and subconsciously you will feel much more happy, much more relaxed or sorted. It's also a week where you need to start spending some time with Mother Nature in the form of trees or animals, or just experiencing the beautiful air around. Try to be kind towards animals and birds, feed them. It's not a time consuming job, but the kind of blessings you get from these kind of energies is remarkable. So try not to spend your energies in pleasing somebody from your own family. Try not to please your boss. Try not to please your best friend. If somebody is interpreting you to be a certain way, let them be. Instead, try to please the animals and the birds and the Mother Nature, because that is one source of energy which never demands too much from us. So make sure compassion towards animals is very, very important. I also see that maybe If you have been trying really aggressively for something, or you have been trying to be too ambitious or too competitive, maybe this is the week where your body needs some rest. So maybe just try to pick up a good novel and just read through it. That is also the meaning of going with the flow and slowing down. Slowing down does not mean pausing down. It simply means reducing your pace. So I hope you find this message helpful, and let me know that if there is something in your life that you have been feeling too competitive or too rebellious about something, let me know in the comment section below. And if yes, then you need to seriously start implementing the messages which has come for you this particular week if you have chosen the pack number S. So I hope you enjoy this week, and I will see you again next week in the Thursday Tarot card reading. Namaste. Hi, if you have commented the third pack of cards, that is Art for Yourself, then this is the message for you for this particular week. It looks like you are trying to be too controlling or too assertive or maybe too adamant about something in your life. Remember that it's not 100% all the time that situations turn in our favor or as per our expectations. Remember, there is always a master plan which the universe has stored in for us. So it's better that we start accepting the way life is going. All right, because this is also the week where there will be some important realizations, some important shocking news that you might receive. It does not mean it is a bad news. It simply means that the news, the information that you will receive this week could be the information which might curb you into, which might force you into thinking who you really are, like a self realization kind of mode. So I see that this is like a self shaking week for you, a self realization week for you, where you will need to invest time into realizing who you really are, what you really want, and what is the one thing that really makes you happy. All right, so trying to so it can be possible that you feel really moody, and your mood swings might just go off and on just the way it goes on the full moon as well. But don't try to control the emotion. Just let it be. Enjoy every emotional vibration that you experience this particular week. Also, because the higher energies are telling you that you are not alone, they are with you in every situation. All you have to do is trust. TRUST. It's a very, very important vibration. You need to trust the energies that whatever is happening as per the master plan for your highest benefit. So be patient, even though you don't have the answers. Just wait and trust. Don't try to control too many things. Don't try to fight it out. Don't try to think too much. Don't try to overstress. Just let the flow of energies get into your experience and have this self realization mode where you really try to understand who you really are, what you're supposed to be. Maybe I can share a small practice with you which will really help you to do this thing. Okay, so the practice is like this. All you have to do is you need to hold a clear quartz crystal in your left hand. You need to close your eyes, okay? And you need to take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale, and once again you inhale and you exhale. Now, once you feel a little bit relaxed and centered, now you ask the universe, give me a guidance. I need a guidance. I want to know what is it that I am supposed to do today or at this moment, and just let the energies flow into you through the clear quartz as well. Once you feel you are getting a bit of clarity, you can just tell the universe, thank you so much for your guidance, and just repeat the words, thank you, thank you, thank you, 3 times, and start off with your day. It's that simple. Maybe the first initial couple of days you might not feel an energy getting channeled through, but remember, the more you do, the more you are consistent with it, the better it will get for you. So try to follow this particular practice, and I'm sure it will help you a lot. Remember, you need to use a clear quartz for it, and you need to first of all invoke the energies and then close the energies as well by saying thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is a very important message for you. I think you just need to take it light, take it easy, and not try to judge yourself, and not even control, don't even let others reactions towards you or towards your life control, like don't let others control your life. Basically, just be yourself and be humble, be honest, be genuine. That's all about this week. I hope you have a beautiful week ahead. I will see you again next week in the Thursday tarot card reading. Namaste. Om Sai Ram.